Hi, in this lecture, let's see the PBR materials in AutoCAD. In the previous lecture, we have already created PBR materials. PBR means physically based rendering. In the previous lecture, we have already created a PBR material and we have applied it and adjust the bump property. Now, when you try PBR materials, we have different maps: color map, bump map, displacement map, normal map, and lot. Now, if you come to the parameters of the material in the material edit in the Autodesk AutoCAD 3D, we may not find all these properties. Now, in this particular case, I just developed this material from the global material, and here we can find the bump. Now, if I search some other materials, for example, if I go to stone, and here we have various materials. I'll pick one of the material, and if you check the materials editor, here I can find relief pattern. I don't find the bump. And if I change the material to this one, and here we can find finish bump and relief pattern. So we have different parameters for different materials. So what you can do is you can load one of them and you can edit the material and proceed. For example, if you want, you can change the image here and you can change the properties and various PBR maps. But in AutoCAD, I cannot find in a material where I can apply all the PBR maps. So we can use the PBR materials in AutoCAD up to certain extent. Now if I get back to my material, PBR paving stones that we have already created earlier, here I can fine tune further. For example, I can come to the reflectivity and I'll turn on the reflectivity. Now I can see how reflective it is. Now this reflectivity, I can adjust the direct and oblique. So I'm going to reduce this to somewhere here. Now see how much it is reduced, and oblique also I can reduce. Now you can see how realistic the material is. I can zoom and check. See, I'll select the material and orbit around it. See how detailed it is, how realistic it is. This is the quality of PBR materials. Okay, with this knowledge, let's continue to the next lecture.